Welcome back friends. In the last video we have seen what is B plus tree, how to create the B plus tree and what is the use of B plus tree. Now this is what our data file, and we want to access any particular roll number. So we have to access this particular tree, B plus tree. Suppose we want to know where the roll number 6 is present. So roll number 6 is what? Less than 9. So you have to search this one. So 3, 5, 6. 6 should be what? In between 5 and 7. So you have to move this particular part. And if you read this particular block, we can get 6. And if you read this particular part only, that means what? We can get A6. So A6 is what? This one. So where roll number 6 is present. So directly from this particular leaf node, we can jump that particular row. So suppose we want to know, say select asterisk from student. Okay. So this is what our student table, where roll number is equal to say 10. So that means that we need each and every information of the roll number 10. That means we have to access this particular row, this particular record. So how to access this particular row? So we have to access the index. Okay, this is nothing but B plus 2 indexing. So roll number 10 is what? Greater than 9. So we have to move this particular part. We have to fetch this particular block. Now 10 is what? Less than 11. So after that we have to, from this particular address we can get this address, and we have to fetch this particular part. And if you read this particular part, we can get roll number 10. And if you read this particular part, we can get the address of this where this particular roll number 10 is present. So it is in A10. So if you read A10, we can get this particular record. Now in this video, our main objective is to delete a node. Suppose we want to delete a roll number, say roll number 6 needs to leave this particular college, so we have to remove this particular row. So that means what? We have to update this particular index table also. We have to update this particular B tree. So question is how to update. Now let m is equal to 4. Parameter is 4. So maximum it can hold m minus 1, that is 3. And minimum it can hold, it should be m by 2 minus 1. So 4 by 2 minus 1, that is 1. So minimum number of keys should be 1, maximum number of keys should be 3. So maximum number of pointers should be 4, and minimum number of pointers should be 1 plus 1, it is 2. So this is what our existing record, and we have to delete the data one by one. Suppose we want to delete data 9. Okay, suppose we want to delete data 9. Suppose we want to delete 9 from here. That means what? We have to delete this particular record. Now suppose we want to delete this particular report, simultaneously we have to delete the internal part also, internal data also, where the 9 is there. So we have to delete this 9 also. Suppose we want to delete 9 here. That means what? We have to remove this one. So we have to shift 10 in this particular position. Okay. And here we have to remove this one 9. Now from here we cannot put 11 here. We cannot put 11 here because 10 is what? 10 is here, and 10 should be left part of this 11. So we cannot put 11 here. Similarly, we cannot put say 7. We cannot shift 7 here. Are you getting this one? So if 7 we can put, that means what? 8 will be what? 8 is what? It should be the right part of the 7. So first of all, you just see the remaining part. So 3, 5, 7 is there. 3, 5, 7 is there. 1, 2. This is what our 1, 2. 3, 4. This is what our 3, 4. 5, 6. This is what our 5, 6. 7, 8. This is what our 7, 8. Now here you just concentrate this particular part. We want to delete 9 here. If you have to delete 9 here, so you have to shift 10 here. You have to shift 10 here. The remaining part is what? 11 and 12. 11 part is what? 11 and 12. Okay, and it is already 11 is present. Already 11 is present, no problem. So we have to delete 9. So we have, from here also you have to delete 9. Now what you can do here, the minimum key is what? 10. So here you have to put 10. So we have to update two places. Here you have to remove 9 and we have to shift 10 here. And in this particular node, the minimum value is 10. So that 10 value should be here. So that 10 value should be here. Next is what? We want to delete say 7. That means what? We have to delete this 7. Okay, from here and from here. So we have to shift here, right? So we just first of all copy the things. So we have to copy. It is what? It is 1 and 2. No problem. It is 3 and 4. No problem. 5 and 6, there is no problem. So 3 and 5, and keep blank here. And here if you remove 7, though you have to shift 8 here. So 8 should be here. and if you remove this 7, so the minimum value of this particular node is what? 8. So here you have to put 8. Are you getting? So the rest are same. So here I put the 10, here it is 11, okay, and here it is, say 10 should be there, and here it is 11, 12, it should be 11 and 12. Are you getting this one? So if you want to delete 7 here, we have to shift 8 here, we have to shift 8 here, and you have to update this 7. So the minimum value of this particular node is what? 8. So you have to shift store 8 here. Now it is a B plus 2. After that, suppose we want to delete, say, 8. Now if you want to delete 8 means what? You have to remove this 8 as well as this 8. Are you getting this one? So that means what? We have to remove this particular part. Okay, now suppose we remove this particular part, okay, the thing is we have to remove this one. So if you remove this one, it's okay, because the minimum number of keys are already present, so no need to shift, no need to merge anything, or no need to do anything. We just remove this particular part 8 and here 8. So keep as it is 10 here, okay, and here it is 3 and 5. 8 you have to remove, so no need to write 8 here. So it is 1 and 2. Okay, here 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to remove this particular 8 from here. So here you can see that particular node is not present. Now here it is 11, here it is 10, okay, and it is 11, 12. So in this particular 8 is present. Now here 8 is, we want to delete 8. So we have to remove this particular node, and we have to remove entry values 8 from this particular node. Now in this way you can remove 8. Okay, next is what? Delete 10. Now we have to delete this particular 10, okay, and from here also we have to delete. Now suppose we want to delete this one, so we have to remove this particular node, and if you want to remove this particular node, you have to remove this particular link. But in any node, minimum number of pointers should be the 2. That means what? It is a violation of the B plus 3 property. So what we can do, so to delete 10, what we can do, we can merge these two nodes, okay, and if you merge these two nodes, so that means what? We can shift this particular children to the right part of this particular 11. Are you getting this one? Now if you move 5, 6, 11, this one, and if you remove 10, we must put something here. So here we have to move this particular 5 upward direction. So because here what we are doing, so we want to delete 10, so we have to remove this particular node as well as this particular information. But here in 11 is there, and here there must be one more pointer. So what if we just left node is what? This is the left node. We have to merge left node here. We have to connect with this particular node. Okay, and here 5 should be, we have to move 5 upward direction. That means here the updated value should be what? It should be the 5. Okay, and it is the 5, though here should be the only 3 is remaining. Okay, 5 is move upward, and here it is keep as it is 11, and here it is 11, 12 must be here, 11, 12 must be here same. And what we are doing, 5, 6 must be connected with this 11. That means here you have to select 5 and 6. Are you getting this one? So this is nothing but our 1 and 2, this particular information, 3 and 4, this is nothing but our 3 and 4, okay, and now it is a B plus 3. So if you delete 10, so we have to delete 10, that means what? You have to remove this particular, because single node is, single key is there. So if you remove 10, that means what? Definitely you have to remove this particular node, but we cannot keep blank here. For each and every node there must be 2 pointer. So you just see the left node and connect with the left node. So you have to break this link and you have to connect with this, and this 5 will be shift here also, because we have to remove this 10. So here it will be the new root key value is what? It is 5. Okay, and you can see 5 and 6 is what? Less than 11 but greater than equal to 5. 11, 12 is greater than equal to 11. 3 is what? Less than 5. 3 and 4 less than 5. Okay, and but greater than equal to 3. So in this way you can delete 10. Now we can see delete 1. Now suppose we want to delete, if we want to delete 1 here, that means what? Nothing we have to do. So if you delete 1, So you just shift this particular to left side. Are you getting this one? So it should be the 2, the rest are 7, same 3 and 4, here it is 3, here should be 5, here it is 11, here it is 5, 6, and it is 11, 12. So if you want to delete 1 from this particular node, so you have to shift 2 here, because it is not violating anything, because number of key should be what? 1, so it is 1, it is there. Next is what? We want to delete 2. Next is what? We want to delete 2. Now if you delete 2, that means what? We have to remove this particular node. Okay, now suppose here you have to delete 2 here, that means what? We have to remove this particular node. Now if you want to remove this particular node, now here should be the link should be what? It should be the null, and in any node it is not possible that minimum number of pointers should be 2 here. So what you have to do? You have to merge this node with this node. These two nodes you have to merge. Now how you can merge? We cannot merge. We cannot create any nodes. So that means what? We have to merge these two. And how we can merge these two? Using this particular root node. So that means what? We have to remove the size. So we have to remove the length of this, length of the tree or the height of the tree. So here you can put 3 here. Okay. So what you can do? So what we can do here? So here you have to 5 is here, this one, 11 is this one. Okay. Now we have to remove this particular node. So remaining is what? 3 and 4. So we have put 3 and 4. Okay. Next is what? 5 and 6, and it is what? 11 and 12. So 3 and 4 less than 5, 5 and 6 greater than equal to 5, 11, 5 and 6 less than 11, 11, 12 greater than equal to. Next is what? We want to delete 12. So if you want to delete 12, so no problem, directly we can delete this here. So remaining will be what? 5, 11, 3, 4. Okay, this is what? Our 5, 6, and only 11 is there. So directly 11 we can delete. Similarly, suppose we want to delete 11. So that means what? We have to remove this 11 as well as this 11. So you have to remove this particular part. So it should be what? 3 and 4. This node 5 and 6. This node. Okay. 5 and 6, and you just put 5 in here. Now suppose you want to delete 5 only. 5 also. So if you want to delete 5, that means what? You have to delete this 5 also. So you have to remove this one. So you have to merge these two. So if you merge these two, that means what? The remaining data what? 3, 4, 6. So here should be what? 3, 4 and 6 if you delete 5. Next, if you want to delete 4, that means what? You have to delete this one. So you have to shift 6 here. So the answer will be what? 3 and 6. Similarly, if you want to delete say 3, so we have to shift 6 here. Okay. Finally, if you delete 6, now it is a null. That means the tree is not there. So we have deleted the. Okay. So this is what B tree relation, and that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.